If you are not happy with your current distributor, we should let you know that it is absolutely possible and actually quite easy to switch your distributor. The best thing about it, you will be able to keep the streams on the tracks that have been previously released. So in this video, I walk you through the steps that it takes to switch your distributor, keep your streams, and also the playlist editions that you already had on your tracks. First of all, you will have to take down your release with your current distributor, and that can take up to 2 weeks, so that is time you need to plan in. Once your releases have been taken down from the streaming and download platforms, you will be able to re-upload your tracks with your new distributor, hopefully us of course. And there are 3 things that you need to keep in mind when you re-upload your tracks so you keep all your streams and also playlist editions. First of all, it is very important that you use the exact same metadata as you did on your previous upload. That means release title, artist name, contributors, version title, etc. Second, when you re-upload your release with your new distributor, you will have to enter the same barcode as you had on your previous release. And finally, for each track that you re-upload, you will have to enter the original ISRC. The ISRC is a unique identifying code for your specific tracks, and it collects all the streaming and playlist data. It looks somewhat like this. And if you release with iMusician, then this is where you have to enter your previous ISRC. If you want to know more, head down to the link in the description below, and also subscribe to this channel. We have a lot of relevant information for you as an indie artist coming your way.